guys, tutorial para sa pagpapalit ng brake light. Tools what you need, screwdriver only. Just take it out these two screws over here. Sensya na, using one hand only. And then slide it up the light. Tatanong nyo na sa loob lahat ng connection ng wirings. Sa brake light, ito. Just twist it. And you can see the brake light there. Same as here, this is the, what is this? Turn signal, itong nasa gitna. Itong nasa gitna to. Turn signal at ito yung reverse light. Hope nakatulong ulit. So, pagpabalik is just push this one. You can see, may guide siya dun. Yung yellow na yan. Dapat pasok siya dito sa guide na to. And align it. Put it. And pasok nyo ulit yung two screws nyo dun. Okay guys. Good night.